In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to A/B test your marketing email in Hubspot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a simple, effective A/B test so you can improve your email performance with real data instead of guesswork. First, log into your Hubspot account and head to the main navigation. Hover over or click on the marketing section, then select email. This takes you to the email dashboard where you can see any existing campaigns and create new ones. To start a new A/B test, click on Create Email and choose the regular option. This tells HubSpot you're building a standard marketing email, which is what we want for an A/B test. Once the editor opens, you'll see the usual layout where you can design your email, add content, and edit your subject line. Now, to actually turn this into an A/B test, look to the top right corner of the email editor and click on the A/B test button. This opens a side panel where HubSpot helps you set up the test. One of the first things you'll do here is enter a name for version B. Give it a clear, descriptive name so you can easily remember what you're testing, like short subject line or new CTA button. Next, you'll configure your testing parameters. Start with the distribution. Use the slider to decide what percentage of your list will receive each version during the test. A common setup is 25% for version A, 25% for version B, and then the winning version automatically goes to the remaining 50% of your audience. This approach gives you a solid sample size while protecting most of your list for the best performing version. Then choose your winning metric. You can pick open rate, click rate, or click-through rate. If you're mainly testing subject lines, open rate is usually best. If you're testing content or buttons inside the email, click-based metrics are more meaningful. You'll also set the test duration. Decide how many hours or days HubSpot should wait before declaring a winner. Make sure the duration is long enough for your audience to open and interact with the email based on when they typically engage. When everything looks good, click Create Test. You now have two versions of the same email. Use the drop-down menu in the top right of the editor to switch between version A and version B and make your changes to version B only. Finally, when both versions are ready, go to the Review and Send tab. Double-check your settings, confirm your A/B test configuration, and then send your test to launch the campaign.